Alright, so I'm going to do a series of uh, card flips. This one's going to be a simple 3D card flip. You've probably seen tutorials out there. This is going to be similar, but with my own take. Um, and next week we'll do expanding card overlays where you'll click it and instead of flipping, the text will just come up. And the week after that, click to expand, where you click a card and it brings the card, expands the card, and has some text over here. And the last one would be card shuffle stack. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have flip cards that rotate smoothly in 3D space, and it will track the which cards the learner has visited, and report completion to a storyline variable, which we have right here. All cards flipped. That's also right here. It's also here I have the next button disabled until it is true. And then it changes to true. And then on a revisit, if it's true, then it can just go ahead. So Storyline does have built-in states where you could do a 3D flip using the emphasis, and I believe people usually use rotate or elastic to get some kind of movement. But I believe this is better because you can do other things as well. So so also I have these 4 front cards, and I made it a little bit stylish by having the top right curved and bottom left curved, and then these back cards where it's the opposite. The top left is curved and bottom right is curved because that's how it'd be if you flipped it. I also have a text box included, so you could move this wherever you want it to be, if you want it to be up there and have it all stylish. In the um, config section of my JavaScript function, I have the front data model ID and the back data model ID, and then these are JavaScript variables, so they're not being reported to Storyline. But this one is. We have rotation duration and visited desaturation, which I have as an 80. So it has some. You have a clue that you've clicked onto to this. It might not matter right now because there's only 4, but if you have like 10 or 12 cards, then that might be useful. Anything else you want to look down here? You're welcome to look at it, but all the stuff that I felt was configurable is on top, and you could change the GSAP animation here and here if you want to do the nitty and gritty. Yeah, so okay. So to get your data model IDs, if I was creating a new card, I'd where it says front 4, I go there and press that, and then back 4. Name it something that you will remember. So then copy this number on fourth one, and this one on the back one, and let's preview this slide. Well, that's grayed out. And these, if I go back here, it's, you can see it's desaturated, but not completely. You still have some of that stuff. And now it's, everything's been visited, even though that's, yeah. So once that is true, that is ready to go. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like it. If you love it, subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day.